Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited diamonds and coins in Garena Free Fire Max for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to download the mod. So it's on zoomods.com. This site is covered in modded apps. So as you can see, it says Free Fire Max. So press on that and it starts the download. So we're just going to wait for it to download here. As you can see, it's usually pretty fast. So I'm just going to let it download. It's not requiring a computer. So you're going to be all set. So let's just wait for this to download. As you can see, all right. So anyway, before it downloads, there's going to be one more step, which is a verification, guys. So all we have to do is download two apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the real app store. So this will just install the Free Fire Max mod. Problem is, a lot of people will download two of these apps and they won't read the instructions. So you need to make sure you read them, complete them. So for instance, TikTok says down, install, run for 30 seconds. Swagbucks says install, open, and make 2 recommended games. And then we got Color Blast. It says down, install, run for 30 seconds. We got Fetch, install, open, and sign up. So you just press tap to install. It's going to redirect you to the App Store, and you literally just download the app. And then whatever it said to do in the app, which is usually something very easy, you just do it. So for instance, I did this one, Family Island, which wasn't showing up when I showed it to you, but it was there, and I had to reach level 10. Now, if you're in another country, you might see some different apps, and that's okay, but it's worth it in the end because you get unlimited diamonds and coins on Garena Free Fire Max. So be sure to try it out. It fully is updated, and yeah, it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome and it fully works and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.